here at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom. Tom Brady Island has a new location. We're gonna head that way to open up the Jersey Fusion boxes. Let's see if we can pull some hits out of there. We're also gonna walk around the park, eat some of the snacks, check out some of the souvenirs. This should be a lot of fun. Join me. Hey everybody, we're gonna sample these egg rolls. So I don't know which is which, but one's a cheeseburger and one is a pastrami with pepper jack cheese. Now we got a couple of mustard dipping sauces. I believe that's what this is. That's like 1,000 Islands, I'm not for sure, but we're gonna try it out. All right, here we go. Let's go mustard first. Oh, that's a pastrami. Now this one's a cheeseburger one. Let's go with this dipping sauce.
Sorry, my top wrapping.
This one's real popular. Personally though, this is gross to me. I do not like this. And the winner is, according to me, I'm going with the pastrami. Now that Tom Brady has retired, Tom Brady Island is off the grid. But good news, I got a cast member to tell me how to get there. Follow me. So apparently this is Tom Sawyer Island and not Tom Brady Island? Oh well, let's see if we have any luck with those Jersey Fusion boxes. Follow me. So here we go, Jersey Fusion. We got 5 of these. Let's get right into it. Let's see what we can pull. I'm gonna show you guys this before I see it, so you'll get the first look. I wasn't able to bring my blade in to rip these open. Security reasons. All right, here we go. See if we can pull some fire out of here. All right, let's take a look. We got a John Smoltz. This jersey is from the 2004 season. Atlanta Braves. Not too bad. All right, box number 2. There we go. I got it. All right, here we go. What we got? We got a Patrick Ewing. Oh, this is one of our hits. 15 of 25. Piece of his jersey. This is from the 2000-2001 season. Very nice. Patrick Ewing. All right, box number 3. There we go. All right, we got a Ken Griffey Jr. rated rookie. This is from the 1992. This is a pair from his uniform, his pants. Ken Griffey Jr., Hall of Famer. All these come with a bonus card. All right, here we go, box number 4. Oops. All right, ready? Here we go.
We went to the Disney store.
We got a Dwayne Wade. This is from the 2012-2013 jersey. Chicago native, Dwayne Wade. All right, last box.
That's right.
All right, last box. There we go. We got MJ, Michael Jordan, the GOAT. Let's see what this is from. This is from the 1994-1995 jersey worn. So that's actually the year that he came back after playing baseball. Came back to the Chicago Bulls. The GOAT, MJ. That's a way to finish strong. Hey, thanks everybody for joining me today. Sorry for the confusion. I thought I was heading over to Tom Brady Island. Turns out I was at Tom Sawyer Island, but we still pulled some fire out of those boxes. Let's see if we could top it at a more wizardly place. Stay tuned for that video. Till next time, from the top of my heart, thanks for watching.